them.
Yeah, they're so stupid to walk through. Oh, they're coming actually.
You pull them in the middle, I'm gonna burst soon. I just need them, yeah, in one spot if possible.
They're still at the
The
other.
Geo guy, it doesn't matter. He's just gonna die if he's in the middle.
But look at
And
this,
the
he's
GR guy
just
stuck in the
stuck.
wall. But you kill them through the R or what?
Hey, what the fuck is he doing? Look.
He's stuck in the wall. I
No, now
tried to
I
pull
freed him. I showed him the path to greatness. Yeah, it's ridiculous how much damage the Sork has in the run.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Well, I think you just play safe and you just corpse tendril. That's it, in the run. Don't really need your damage.
Yeah, it's actually true. Like, I always try to proc my hellbent and that's why I die. I
Yeah,
still
yeah.
feel like we're in two-man, but maybe that's a good idea. I mean, it's just some test runs, first time.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, we need one more pop here on these and then we can go.
I need Trash to kill them.
Okay. I kind of thought this was enough. We can get two more monsters. Yeah, once I know like what you can kill and what you can't, then it's gonna be...
I can't kill anything if there is like, I can't even kill them. Without Shatter, I can't do that.
It's like those times, man, in AOZ. But we can play way more aggressive than this as well, in the right map at least.
Yeah, we can just restart the timer.
Yeah, let's restart.
Yeah. And also,
Yeah, I
I'm
can
really
get out like...
curious.
Well, I thought I was getting out safe.
I'm really curious if when Rob fixes the tempers, like, how much it will save me from dying.
You're gonna get like 30% more toughness, it's not... Fuck, man, these guys just... Ah! Next time I Kuna, you need to save me, man.
How?
Can't get out! Well, just take the aggro. Come on, come on, come on, come on! Yes! Wait, what? Fucking portal was already finished. Like minus 2 minutes, man, they're getting out of this shit. Getting out of this... There needs to be like a cancel button, man. There's fucking no way.
You're just teleporting out.
But they just interrupt me, dude. They just teleport out, man. It says the guy who has flame shield. Oh. Does not work on our classes like this.
You gotta play your class with like intelligence, you know.
You gotta be smart about it.
Yeah, you gotta be smart in life.
Dude, like I like lost the last second something interrupted me, man. It was fucking stupid. Two best stats on weapons, strength, and burn or crit. Okay, you can join now. Oh shit, did I already...
Like, I mean, you can go on, or I would also like to see a bit of duo from Sork and Barb later, but...
Well, yeah, we can do that maybe. But we can't kill boss. Like only one boss, I guess.
Only the shaman you can kill in duo, you think?
Yeah, I can.
I'm not killing the boss on 45 with 2 life.
Okay.
Especially not in this setup. Like I lost like 50% damage at least.
Yeah, I will try to stay back now at Trash because he almost did Trash. Looks like, and I don't know.
You need to do the pulling with
I
pops
don't-
and roads.
Yeah, this I will do for sure, but I try to keep range and not wasting everything.
Sounds good.
Add map again. Okay, this one.
I don't care. Yeah, I can get out safely.
Try.
Oh, World boss in 10 minutes. Well, I have infinite scheduled already. It's gonna be my, what is it, rune shots that we're spending, right? It's fine. I have plenty. How many do you guys have?
What? Shirts?
Yeah. Wait, not trade. I wanted to invite you to the party. Invite to party, there it is. Yeah, how many rune shots? I have 1.5.
Not much. I had to buy from. But I did like Nightmare Dungeon, it was very fast.
Yeah, you get them
Like I'm
fast.
doing Nightmare Dungeon in like than 1 minute.
Okay, that's pretty crazy. World boss, log in, boys.
Who cares how the world was anymore?
Yeah, now you have infinite prisons. I think they buffed it a bit too much. Tripling it instead of doubling it. I'm just checking the mob type. Let's play. Okay, make pull here on the thing.
Okay,
What is it? On the well. Or close to the well.
No, here it's fine. Pull them on here.
Yeah, on the well, yeah. Like close to the well. So not exactly on the well. There's big boys coming, but they walled me, so...
I think we just keep going. I cannot finish them, I think.
Yeah, but there's monsters coming. Just stay a sec.
Okay.
Don't.
No, there was elite behind.
Yeah. Stay a sec. Do you not hear? Just... I mean, when I can make it, I can make it. Like, only if we playing from behind, then I can't make the calls. But like this, I can. Now just pixel them. Yes. Okay, that's it though with trash. So after this pops, we can go. Yeah, you need to decide when to go then, Mikuna, like...
We can go now, I can't.
Okay, yeah. I will pull them. Just keep going. Yeah, no corpse standards at the end. Don't.
No.
You just curse them and everything. Like, all the CC needs to be stopped when we are about to go.
Okay, sure.
Like, don't curse, don't corpse tendril, like, just go.
After you say go, I will not press anything.
Because now it's gonna take
Okay,
forever,
can
because
we-
they are like
Yep.
slow AF now. They're all cursed.
Yeah, when Rob brings the elite, we can do the pull here.
Yeah, they're like slowly coming. One of them got
They're gonna-
confused.
Oh, that was not me. That was the necro, I think, damage.
No, it's fine.
There's not many small mobs.
Wait, I'm gonna check on the top. What?
It should be fine.
Okay, we should then go after this explosion. There's a DR guy ahead, but should be fine. Like, you just need to go a bit more.
Yeah, they should die here.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, just go.
There was a corpse tendril again.
Stop pressing buttons. Yeah, but it's delayed.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we're gonna skip those packs, probably this next level here. Make one pull.
Sure, there's a lot of trash, I think.
Yeah, kill that.
Yeah, we make a pull, but like we skip the packs from the back because they are not gonna come in time. Oh, actually, there's guys here. I'm gonna pull him about. I'm gonna help him figure out the stairs. They don't know this stair concept, man, these dudes. Look at this, they're just stuck on the well. But there's no trash mobs more, Mikuna, so you just need to kill whatever we can kill and
They're
then...
probably gonna die right here, like a little bit more.
Okay, should we go?
Yeah, I can't.
Nah, we're not gonna kill them. It's fine. Okay, good, mob type.
Spiders.
Okay, don't go here. Top. Keep going.
I didn't make pull yet.
Okay, go like here.
I'll be back
Here,
later.
where I am now. Stay here.
Okay. I make pull now?
Yes. Okay, that's about all we're gonna get. We have a lot of trash in the back. Oh, there's another pack. I don't know if you can still wait. Okay, never mind. Just keep going. Pack is coming. Okay, you can make another one. Now we can go one more. Okay, now we go. Go. Just go. No, don't. I think there's some delay.
We can do a pull on me. There is true elite stack.
Like when you see Mikuna or me go, there's like no corpse tendrils.
Yeah, we'll try. I thought he will stay killed and...
No, but there's no point. Like we just pull them forward. Need to taunt this dude. I wasn't even in this pool. What the hell? Okay, one more
Maybe we
boom.
ditch the buff.
One more boom and then we go again. Let's go.
It's literally speech.
Just go. Yeah, no point staying.
In the middle floor?
Yeah, yeah, do it in the middle.
Hey, you don't have to go too far. These guys are almost dead. This is spawn. Maybe. Yep. Let's go. Okay, good boss.
Makura, you stay out?
No, I don't think it matters.
Too late. It's Bramble.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fuck. No, don't go. Okay. Ooh, he didn't lock me. Just leave. Look this guy. Okay, but that's fun to play like this. We're gonna be like
That's
very
only
consistently
twice,
8 minutes.
Like I never had this much D3 experience like on this stuff. Neither did practice.
I'm gonna let you guys scout the boss so I can just leave when it's shit. Yeah, this is the OG D3 experience, guys. We're just fishing for like 5 bosses, man. Like the same in D3, single target boss, you leave, and then there's Sexters, Hamelin, and those dudes like you can kill. Yeah, Bramble is the worst. Oh. Sharpshooter, Bramble. You guys join me again? Hey, congrats. You guys join me?
Seth.
Yeah, 1 second.
We can also kill the world boss, I guess. I'm gonna go bathroom. Let's get this guy. Guys, log in. World boss alert. 2 minutes.
What's first?
Yeah, let's do it. I need to go for a second.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Guys, 2 minutes. Critical red alert. Get your stuff. Log in. Melted heart, there's no point. We're already immortal, basically, or we're not dying, so melted heart makes no sense. You need DPS. If you go melted heart, you lose DPS. Never good. Yeah, I drink a lot. But actually, I need to look for my food, man. I'm hungry. It's more not about like necessary going take a piss, just like standing up, man. Stretching, exactly.
Getting one
I will do
shot.
this. 1 second.
Also,
World boss, guys. 2 minutes.
55.
Log
That's awesome.
in.
What do you mean?
Someone just said he died. 55.
155 is one
No,
guy in the
55. Not 100. 55.
Maybe it doesn't have gear.
Yeah, it's always the year.
What is the enemy in your profile picture?
It's fate.
Fate?
Yeah. Fate, Grand Orders, not Grand Order, Fate Stay Nights.
Yeah, okay. I didn't find it.
Really? There was too many versions of it. I only watched a few, not all of them.
Yeah. I don't remember this character on your picture. Maybe I watched
It's
another
only in the
version.
movie. In the movie one.
Okay. Yeah, but it looks interesting in party. It's also your first time now, right? Or you played
Yeah.
this? It's 4 banshees. He's your friend,
What?
the barbarian who joined.
that, I don't know him.
This party is killing him slow, dude. Slowest world boss kill. Rob Taxi, 8 toys. Yo, the DPS, what the hell? Easy taxi.
Let's go Legion event.
Okay, back to the grind. Yeah, my world boss died instead of 4 in 5 seconds. I'm the gold.